Larry Waters, the mayor of Sevier County, Tennessee, joins me now by phone. Larry, can you tell us what's the latest on the containment efforts, and have crews had any success trying to get the upper hand on these fires?
We have pretty much, except for a few hot spots out in the county area, the fires are contained. We have most of the brush fires that were in and around the city. We had some rain last night, and that helped them get those under control. We still have some structure fires that we're struggling to get under control, but hopefully we will have that under control either later hopefully later this afternoon.
And usually when we talk about wildfires, they're really out west. But what's been the current situation there right now, the reaction at the shelter in particular?
Well, we started last night, and this thing started about 5:30. There was a fire in the national park, in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and it began moving toward the city of Gatlinburg, the cities of Pigeon Forge and Sevier County around 5 o'clock. And it was a perfect storm because we recorded wind gusts of almost 87 miles an hour last night at various times. So what happened was, our firefighters and our emergency responders couldn't get out there and contain it because the wind was blowing it so quickly into structures and into trees. And then we had trees falling down on power lines, and all of it just sort of happened in a very short period of time, and that's the reason it quickly got out of control.
We know that this part of Tennessee is a huge tourist spot. There's Dollywood, there's Ripley's Aquarium, a ski resort completely around this region. So how are these sites being impacted?
Fortunately, most of downtown Gatlinburg is intact. Now, we certainly have a lot of areas that were severely impacted around that. Dollywood did not sustain any damage, although the fires got close. It did not. And as far as we can tell, over Gatlinburg did not sustain any damage. So we've had some of the major attractions didn't sustain any damage, but we've certainly lost a large number of homes, a large number of businesses, which is devastating to those folks. But we're determined to get this situation under control, and feel confident that because of the strong character of the people of this area, that we're going to recover from this. But it is going to take us a little time, and we're going to move forward. We're just hoping. We're now in a rescue mode, search and rescue. So we hope that. We don't know what that's going to determine, and won't till later on tonight.
Okay, Larry Waters, mayor of Sevier County, Tennessee. Thank you so much, Mayor, for joining us.
Thank you.